Okay, folks, this is going to be an example of the euro dollar day trade. This is a London close kill zone. There's the optimal trade entry levels I'm targeting and the retracement inside the range. You'll learn these things in the tutorials, but I'm just focusing primarily on examples shown with the information thus far. All right, so we have our stop being set. I'm going to go a little bit above there. Okay, and I want to show you that the target 1 level is right around that 117.25 level, and then if I get a runner, I could go down to that level here, but I want to get out a little bit early, so that'll be my final portion be taken off there. Okay, so I'm going to be drawing your attention down into a little bit closer perspective, and I want you to look at price action like this and train yourself to see these types of moves, and don't be afraid of selling right into that. Okay, it looks bullish right now. It looks crazy. It looks like, it's a break in market structure. A lot of folks that use my information, they'll say that this is probably one of those optimal trade entry buys. In fact, as a scalp, it would be. But you got to know what it's most likely going to do and what it's really going to be targeting. The algorithm will want to reprice and go to a specific larger liquidity pool. Okay, and I'm going to make note of that in a moment here. But for now, look at what price looks like right there. Okay, that's what it looks like as a short. It does not feel like a short when you watch it like this. It does not feel safe to be selling that. It looks like it wants to run up and go right for my stop loss. You got to trust the fact that when the market does these intraday retracements and the higher time frame daily chart is implying that it wants to go lower, it's going to do what? Seek the stops or the movement towards the daily lows. I'm highlighting that here, and I'm telling you where it's going to be reaching for. This is a sell stops. So this is a simple little ICT London close kill zone trade. You don't see too many of those, but the setup just happened to form late in the New York session, London close time period. So I'm already positioned, and admittedly, I'm recording this and it's being compressed at a very high rate of speed for playback purposes. Otherwise, it'd be a very long video. So, admittedly, I'm very tired during this. Okay, I keep going back and forth to the charts, and I'm closing my eyes, kind of like you do when you're driving tired. You know you shouldn't be doing it, but I was closing my eyes, telling myself I'm going to nod off if I keep doing this. But I keep doing it, and I'm watching that sell stop area, okay, and I'm thinking if it trades down to that level, hopefully I'll see price print at 117.25. I'll collapse a portion off. I'll take one lot off, as you can see me doing that. I almost fell asleep there. Okay, now I have it set again, and then I nod off. I absolutely nod off, and when I come back to the chart, this is what happens. It had run down below it. I missed a real good opportunity. So I scaled off one, and you can see that I'm going to go in and actually go into the account history. You can see it be applied to the chart after I adjust my stop. And I'll go over and try to hopefully see if I can finesse another portion of the trade off, but it doesn't do that. And my stop stays where it's at now. And it doesn't give me another opportunity to do anything better than what you saw me exit with. So it does go down to where I was calling for it in the charts. You can see there perfectly, 10 pips below the core institutional price of 17.35. Okay, and beautiful, beautiful symmetry for that intraday price swing. Now, as a day trade, it wasn't as precise as I would like it to be because life got in the way. Fatigue got in the way. And I took a portion off here just to protect myself from getting a full stop out at the remaining balance. And you can see that here. So I funded myself a little bit more. I was hoping it would roll over a little bit more. Didn't do it. So I have to be proactive and take something off and pay the position. And ultimately it comes up and stops me out on the last portion. And I could be angry. I could be, disappointed and spend the rest of the day complaining about it and be upset, or I can say, you know what, the trade panned out like I liked to have seen. I was able to execute on it, take something profitable. And with that, I wish you good luck and good trading.